Hi, my name is Devangi and today I'm going to make a quick lotus stem stir fry. I created this recipe from the flavors that I grew up with, and it's really a fusion of where I come from and where I'm living right now. So first we'll start by mixing our ingredients. For the sauce, I'm going to take some hot sauce, ginger, some garlic, some more hot sauce, soy sauce, some black pepper, white wine vinegar, some honey, and give it a good toss. So before frying the lotus stem, we will start with coating them in some rice flour. So I have some lotus stem here. I'm going to add some rice flour, some cornstarch, and give it a good toss in between. I'm going to also season this by adding some salt and some black pepper and coat it nicely. Now make sure that all the lotus stems have the coating, so when we fry it, it becomes all crispy. So we'll start to put our oil for frying the lotus stem. I've taken approximately 2 cups of oil. To make sure our oil is hot, I'm going to try just dropping in one and see if it sizzles. I think the oil is ready now, and I'm going to add more. Try not to overcrowd the pan because you want to make sure that each slices are well cooked, fried and crunchy, and make sure to turn it upside down so it's cooking all the way from both sides. And once you see a light brown color and it's crispy, it should be done. And this is the color that we are looking for, this light brown. Make sure to take them out in an absorbent paper or a kitchen towel so that the excess oil is taken away. So the next step is we are going to fry our vegetables. I'm going to take some oil, add some green onions. There goes the onions. I'm going to add some jalapenos, some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers. I'm going to cook this mixture on high heat for about 3 minutes. We don't want to make it mushy. We just want to cook it until it has some texture and crunch to it. And then we will add the sauce to it. We will season it more if we need to add salt. And then we will add the fried lotus stem and give it a quick stir and quickly turn off the heat. You don't need to overcook anything at this point. You can keep stirring and mixing the lotus stem until everything is mixed well and soaked in the sauce. It's sweet and spicy, and the lotus stem has crispiness to it, and it tastes delicious. You can serve this as an appetizer, or you can also add a little bit more sauce and serve it with some steamed rice, and it will taste amazing, and it can be a main dish too. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you try this dish and you love it as much as I did making this dish for you.